Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how to code with your Android phone. Yeah, how to code. I know it's surprising, right? You code language like React.js, Vue, Bootstraps, frameworks, even frameworks like Bootstrap, Materialize, and you will run them as a local server on your phone and they will all work fine. So I'll show you how to get the app and how to use it. This is the app. You can see it right here. This particular app, we have the two versions. They have the editor and they have the pro pack. But I'm actually using the pro pack, or you can download the editor version if you want. I'll show you the both of them. It's loading right now. So this is the work I actually did recently on it, and if you see, I launched it and this is it. It's looking fine. So this is the initial user interface when you come in, and this is all you see for the first time. You'll see this, the home page, which is this home page here. You see stuff like this. You have access to other people's work, like a Git repository. And the nice part is you can even log in your Git repository straight on your phone and edit all your work from your GitHub. You can clone other people's work, like let me do this one. You see, let me clone. Let's see, let me pick something interesting. New Year counter, let's do this one. So you can see it's saying clone over here. You can see it. This is the GitHub account. Look at it over here, this section. This is the GitHub account, and these are the details. So I'll just click on clone and said okay. You can see I have the project right in my phone. You can see it here. New Year counter. This is the image folder. These are the app.js folder, the file. This is the HTML file, and that's the readme file, and this is the CSS file. So let's run it and you'll see. You can see it's in Spanish. The code is in Spanish. So you can see it's working fine right on my phone. You can even view it in your browser, your local browser on your phone, like Chrome. My default browser is Chrome, that's why it's opening on Chrome. Still loading. Still loading. I just wait for it. Still loading. Okay, I don't know, it's not supposed to take this long. Let me just do it again. So this is working fine. Let me just open it in my opening browser. It's just once. It's really taking time. I don't know, maybe it's the code. It's supposed to work. I'll try another one. So you can see we can edit this the work here. Let me show you. You come to the index file, which is the root file. Come here, we can say, let me change this so you can, sorry, I made a mistake there. I will just undo it so you can see the undo button, just like normal code editor on your laptop. I will come down to this place. This is all I want to edit, the H1, and I'll write something nice. So you see we have made the addiction there, and we are running the code right now. So you see, you can see we've edited the text. Look at it here. We can change any of these things. This is the timer counter for about 318 days, 7 hours, 48 minutes and 29 seconds. So it's counting. As soon as it gets to this date, this particular time here, it should bring out a surprising stuff there. So that is it. That's part of it. You can see there's news. It's about the software. There's a lab. You can see there is workspace. Workspaces are all the work you have done so far on your laptop, on your text editor, I mean on your phone. So we can just come back here. We'll say create a new one, so you can see, look at all the framework you can work with. If you can see here, we have JavaScript, we have Node.js, Node JavaScript, we have JavaScript ES8, we have Express Server 4, we have TypeScript with Node, we have just TypeScript, we have HTML, we have HTML5 with Bootstrap, we have HTML5 with Material Light, we have HTML with Semantic UI, Angular 10, Angular 1.5 CDN, we have React 17 plus reloaded, we have the 17 plus with less and Node, we have React 17 System.js, we have Vue 2, we have Vue 2 out, and you can see it down to D36. So you can code all these things. Okay, let's just do Bootstrap CSS and HTML5, so you can see. We'll ask you what's the name of your project. You can just name it. Let me just say Bootstrap 5. Great, and that's all. This is everything, right? Or they just build it once for you. Look at the CSS files are linked already. Let's test it and you see. So you can see this is actually an admin dashboard. This is an admin dashboard. Let me zoom in. You can see this is an admin dashboard. It's a very nice application. If you don't have a laptop, probably you're coding and your laptop has issue, you can quickly switch to your mobile phone and work with this as long as your file is in your GitHub. So you can see I'm trying to run it on my browser. It's not working fine. I think something is wrong with the software. I think something is wrong with it. It's not supposed to be like this. Okay, let me show you how to get the file. So I'll just open my Play Store. So as soon as you open your Play Store, just search for it. Spec code editor, so you can see it up there. So this is the natural one I have. The other one that I have not opened, you can see, just click on download. Since I've downloaded it, it's asking me to open. So if I open it now, it's still the same thing as the former one. If you remember, the icon was yellow and this one is a bit blue. So you see the same user interface, and there are a lot of stuff here you can just clone into. See, you can use this to practice when you don't have a laptop. That is just the beauty. So let me just go to my workspace as the other one. I'll create a new file. Let's create a Bootstrap file, and let's create it, and you can see the code live on my system, and let's run it. Okay, it's showing now. Actually, if you can discover, the view is different because I actually did not tick is on mobile view. I'll change it to desktop view now. and refresh. Let me refresh it up here so you can see. Okay, so you can see it's still the same project. So let me try to open it in the browser. Let's see. Okay, I think still not showing, so I guess the app, the function is down for now. But the idea is you can actually code with this. You can, and there are some other settings that comes with it. If you come down to, I think, discover also for settings, you can see the sorting buttons here. So there's a lot of settings here. You can change the themes. You have different S-code themes, the Chrome, the Dracula X. You have the AMOLED display. You can disable bots, and a lot of stuff. Autocomplete. It has autocomplete and color features. It colors your code so that you can identify which block of code you're actually writing, and the types of code. And I didn't show you guys one more thing. If you come back to your workspace, let me go to my workspace, then let me open this code. As soon as I run the code, there is this console here. You see, let me change it to mobile view so that you can see it very well. So you can see this console. So you can see you can actually debug right from here, just like your laptop. So you can see you can do a lot of stuff. You can see the console panel. You have the elements, just like your browser. You have a network. You have the resources. You can see all the CDN script and everything that is linked online, and there's a lot of stuff you can do. You can change the color to dark. So there's a lot of stuff you can do with this. So there is the bump and there's the app, and you want you guys to be using. If you don't have access to your laptop, or you want to work over phone, you're tired of sitting in front of a laptop, this is the best option to go for. Thank you for watching my channel. Stay tuned. Keep liking my videos. We'll be dropping more videos. I'll be dropping more videos about this. There are other apps too, but this is far better. So thank you for watching my channel.